When it comes to using our Mimi stamps, there's two ways of using it. The first way is grabbing the entire stamp collection in the case, the pink case, and you push, you hold and push. And depending on how hard you press it is how much ink will come out. So you can see here is missing a little bit because I probably didn't press too hard enough. So if I do again, and it has to be flat. Can imagine if you're stamping and it's on a tilted angle, you're probably not going to stamp it very well. So make sure your page is flat and then you push it. The second way of stamping is taking out individual stamps. This is perfect when you have smaller planner spread. For instance, let's say I'm using my Hobonichi Weeks in the monthly page. You can see there isn't a lot of space. So what you do is to take an individual stamp. Maybe I want this one, and that's it. Make sure you hear that click, and it's a great indication you can remove and snap back on to get it secured. So here it is, and then I snap away, and I put it here, stamp and stamp. And hear the sound. So put the stamp in one side and then hold the case and push more pressure on the left side where it's like sticking out more. So my left side is sticking out a little more, so push more pressure on the left. Oh, I guess you can't hear the here. There you go. And the more you use it, the more you will get familiar how to put the stamp back in and in and out. It's really easy. So let me show you how fast I can take the stamp out. I don't need to spend that much time when it comes to stamp. See how easy it is to take the stamp out. You really don't need to spend a lot of time to take it in and out. And it doesn't damage it. It's actually meant to take the stamp in and out a lot. And then to put it back in. Look how easy. This is like the best stamp ever. Can't wait for you guys to use it. And that's it. When you're done, put it away. You don't need to figure out your ink situation because you just, once you refill it once, you're set. You're set. You don't need to, refill many times. Unless you use it so many times to a point where it runs out, which is fine. So easy. Take your stamp out. Right now, all the stamps are pre-ink, so you don't need ink at the moment. Initially, you might get so much ink in your each stamp, so you might need to be cautious about it. Actually, it's not really cautious. Just be aware that you will have a lot of ink initially, and over time, the ink will it'll be less, and it won't be as saturated. So it's very normal in the beginning when you start using your stamp. There might be a lot of ink coming out because we make sure that there was enough ink in your stamp. So I haven't opened this yet, but I'll probably open it in the future and make another video. But you would open this and it will look like this. This is 5 milliliter, but I'm giving you guys 10 milliliter, so twice the size and more ink. And but you're paying for a little bit less because I'm actually giving you more ink. So it looks like this. You don't need a lot, and then you just like pour it around. I'm not sure if you can see the engrave on the stamp pad. So you just give it a little bit, make sure it's all the engraved part is covered by ink. Let it absorb the ink, and once you're done, use a scrap piece of paper and stamp away to get the excess ink off the stamp, and that's all you need to do. I'm not sure why like every time I want to film a video is always like 5 minutes long, but I'll try to keep it short, and that's it. I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any question. I cannot wait.